How to make sales. Previously we knew some causes of not making sales. The three principal causes are keywords, the price and the box. After you watched our daily observation of Merch Informer, you probably gonna see a winning design, or a winning keyword, means you are inside the box. I recommend you to install this extension in your Chrome browser. This tool allows you to see all t-shirts in Amazon related to your selected keyword. For example, let's select the word Thanksgiving Great Again. You will see t-shirts with this keyword. Now you are inside the box and you have to think differently. It's better to choose a keyword with low competition so that you will have chance to sell. In the next video we will see how to handle with the title and the description. See you soon. Peace.